friends! It's Abby! Today we will color Quail. Let's start coloring. I paint her cheek pink. Then I use a yellow marker to color the beak, tail, and legs. I'll color her eye blue. Let's color her wing purple. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And let's color her body orange. Quails are small birds, about the size of a tennis ball. Our little quail looks cute and funny. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.